Khatun, Nolan Lester, Elizabeth Martin, Liam Matthews Dale, Liliana McCoy, Julius McNamara, Jemiah Mims, Ramiro Morales, Arielis Orengo, Ehler Pa, Saida Rahman, Grace Stanford, Jaden Sharp Barker, Kuz Ayu, Declan Tarab. From the Bravo Company, we have Simon Ahmed, Asil Al-Kamarshi, Joyce Asani, Tyla Gardner, Speedy 2, Jackson Key, Aspen Lacondri, Gabriella McGenis, Scarlett Montana Diaz, MD Naeem, Nala Nevins, Victor Nunez Rodriguez, Corelli Ortiz, Abdinasar Osman, Deidre Osmani, Jayla Kay, Nala Radford, Rukaya Fushini, Raymond Santiago, Farjana Shika, Pashu Rebecca Sue, Farjana Sheikh. From headquarters, we have Bashar Fef, Saima Azad, Noshar B, Laurelise Crespo, Gabriel Day, Noel Ismail, Anaf Masroor, Halima Malamu, Jarina Naimar, Dise Pa, Poet Pa, Zanaya Peterson, Joseph Platt, Katrina Portuguese, David Sam, Loeke Pa Saw, Robert Smith, Nia White, and Sinwin. Please give them a round of applause. From headquarters, we have Bashar Feb, Afifa Akhtar, Saima Azad, Jeremiah Baskins, Noshar B, Raika Chowdhury, Hi Chris, Gabriel Depew, Jacob Feliciano Nieves, Camila Gusby, Gwendolyn Hahn, Aliana Holiday, Noel Ismail, Logan Kennedy, Nayan Lynn, Anaf Masroor, Halima Malamu, Josiah Navarro, Jarina Naimar, Aiden O'Sullivan, Poet Pa, Eke Pa, Zanaya Peterson, Joseph Platt, Katrina Portuguese, David Sam, Loeke Pa Saw, Samir Sheikh, Tone Sayan, Robert
The silent drill sequence you will view today resembles our cadets' exemplary character and discipline. This platoon is exclusive to the most precise cadets, each one here having trained for countless hours to attain this level of precision. Ladies and gentlemen, we present you the Tectonian Guard. At this time, the commander will pass to the middle of the mobile rifles, yet another display of precision and practice. He will pass through 3 times as representation of our school's mantra, skill, knowledge, power. platoon come from all different backgrounds, grade levels, and classes. But when they act as a part of this platoon, they become one unit. The cadets here today are our senior, Cadet First Lieutenant Joseph Black, the sophomores, First Sergeant Paul Paul, Cadet First Sergeant Derek Bejon, Cadet Master Sergeant Katrina Portuguese, Cadet Sergeant First Class Jarina Namiar, Cadet Staff Sergeant Aaliyah Maldonado, Cadet Staff Sergeant Licia Beli Ortiz, Cadet Staff Sergeant Say Mason, Cadet Staff Sergeant Tim Lynn, Cadet Staff Sergeant Lloyd K. Armstrong. The freshman, Cadet Private First Class Steve Shee, Cadet Private Liliana McCroy, and the commander for the platoon today is Cadet McMajor Anup Masur. At this time, the commander will conduct an inspection, inspecting every part of the rifle continued by an inspection of the cadet. The uniform is a physical representation of the efforts a cadet puts into their line formation. The silent drill sequence has now been concluded.
During the knockout drill sequence, we ask that everybody stays quiet so they can hear the commands. And if any of the alumni that we have invited today want to help, you guys can help knock out cadets. If you know that you made a mistake, please be honorable, have integrity, and sit out. If not, we will be tapping you guys out. No alumni want to knock them out? No. First sergeant coming up, perfect. While you guys are at the position of attention, you're not moving.
I will address you guys as a battalion. Knockout will start at parade head. Right, head. Head, head. About head. About head. At right, face. At face. At left, face. Okay, face. Battalion. Attention! Right face! At left face! Left face! At right face! Prevent on! Order arm! Right face! Stand at peace! Company! Tally! Attention! Right face! At right face! Left face! About face! Left face! At left face! Prevent on! Order arm! Left face! If you guys patient during doing your drill movement, you guys that's it. Ready! Company! Platoon! Battalion! Attention! Prevent on! Ready, front! Order on! Right face! About face! At right face! About face! At left face! About face! Stand at ease! Company! Battalion! Attention! Left face! Okay, ready! Two! Battalion! Attention! About face! Present arms! Order arms! Left face! Right face! Right face! Cover!
Kakak ada, mau ke mau tu, belah elok gitu.